Hi everyone, I'm Dishin. Welcome to my channel Design Automation, where we simplify SolidWorks automation and make your designing faster, easier and smarter. In this video, we are going to write a macro with the help of ChatGPT to export our drawing file as a PDF. So let's ask GPT to write a macro. Hi, you are SolidWorks automation expert and I want you to write a macro that will export SolidWorks as PDF. Let's see. So GPT have started writing the macro. You can see option explicit is already mentioned over here. That means you have to define the variables. You cannot write any variables without defining it. So let's copy the code and move this, paste it over here, and we will see line by line. So very first three line we are defining the variables, next are the defining the file parts, everything. And you can see this will work on active document only, and ChatGPT have already written the error handler as well. So if the model is not open, then it will say document is open. Next is the drawing file. Obviously we are exporting our drawing file as a PDF, so it says like if the open document or active document is other than SolidWorks drawing file, then it will say active document is not SolidWorks. It's a very good error handler. Then the file part, so it takes the file part here and it's try to remove the extension of SLTTRW to PDF, and it's saving the part. But the one twist is here, we want to export this SolidWorks file, PDF file to our location. Let's take it as our desktop. So I want to export PDF to my desktop / design automation folder. So it have already started coding everything again, and see, I believe environment is not available, so I will need to give him my folder part. Let's see, I want this folder part. So again, model doc, if it is greater than or less than, it may not equal to SolidWorks drawing, then it will give us the error. If the drawing part is nothing, then it's also again giving error. Then destination folder, you can see destination folder is now C user admin desktop design automation. If so, it have written one more lines over here. It says like if this folder is not a present, then it will create the directory. This means like if directory is available, then no issue. If the directory is not available, then this line will create the new folder for us. So let's copy this code and paste it over here and see what we get. So remember, F8 is the key. We need to debug it. So yeah, we have SolidWorks drawing document open, so it will not give us any error. Drawing part, destination folder, which is fixed. So you can see we already have the destination folder, so it does the code have not created any folder again. If we want to have something like a PDF at the end of the design automation folder, then we can add it or /PDF, so that it will create the PDF folder here. So now what this is doing, that this made an INSTR reverse, we can say string reverse. So this is the string operation we call, and it will replace the SLTTRW to PDF, because remember the drawing part contains, if you see, the drawing part contains the SLDDRW. So, and PDF path. So we have the PDF part, C user admin desktop design automation bottom panel dot SLDDRW. Bottom panel is the name of our drawing file, and the status, it's a, you can see the API SolidWorks model, SW model extension, and save as is the API. Let's go through that API as well. So here we have that API, save as. Remember, we have several APIs available over here, save as, but we are into the model doc extension. So let's open this. If you want to have practice, you can have your own API use. So you can try out the latest API. You can see save as 2, save as 3, and save as 4. Save as 4 is the latest API, but model extension have save as 3 is the latest API. So let's ask GPT to write this line only. So what I'll do, I will copy a whole thing and give him, can you write the line of save as? Okay, using API of save as 3. So let's go to save as 3. You can see the option over here. So yeah, let's try out first save as only. So PDF successfully to bottom panel. Let's see if PDF is created or not. No, we do not have PDF, but we have the SolidWorks drawing file. So let's see what we got. We'll see the APIs over here and go through here. So we'll use this API. Latest API is save as 3 method. So instead of writing all these things, what I will do, I will write SW model dot extension dot save as 3, where very first is a PDF part, obviously. Second one is the version. So let's see what we have in the version. So we'll use this. So the current version only. We don't want to detach drawing, format, Pro E, standard drawing, and SolidWorks 98 plus, which is obsoleted. So we'll see you this only. And next is the option. So what we have option over here. Let's copy this, paste this, see. So now, as you know, we are saving it as a PDF, so we want no error, so we will save it as a slider. The next is export data. So you can see export data as an object. So I will need to create this export data. So let's create this export data first. So you can see we have the examples already available. So we'll see, take this, we'll define export data and set the export data as well. And we have certain SolidWorks export PDF data. But we made mistake. Yeah. Still, let's copy this and paste this. So export as 3D PDF, we want to save it as a 3D PDF, then it is false. No, we want to have it as a 3D PDF. And do we want to view PDF after saving? If yes, then true. If no, then false. And we'll use this export data over here. Then errors. So I believe we have already created the variables for error and warnings. So we'll say errors and warnings. Let's see what we have made wrong here. So advanced option, so we do not want any advanced option, so let's say it as a nothing. And see if it is saving it as a PDF or not. It's again saying SLD so we have made some mistake over here for defining the PDF file part. So let's ask GPT, my PDF part contains .SLD instead of .PDF. I want you to write lines that will get the name of file without extension from the file path and put it to destination folder with .pdf as extension. So we just want these lines only. So let's say these are our file name without extension. And our PDF path is file name no extension here. With .pdf. Let's see. Draw file path is the wrong, so it's a drawing path. Let's see what we got here. So we have bottom panel only. Now the PDF contains .pdf and see. So you can see we have the option which says open PDF after saving. So the PDF is open and it's saved at a user admin desktop design automation. So you can take a trial. You can also do a batch processing where you can create your own user form where user will select numbers of file and will open that files one by one and saving it as a PDF at a required destination. If you want to save it on the same directory where the drawing file is available, then you just need to tweak with the file name. The PDF path will be changed. It's not fixed part, but it's a variable part. You just need to update that the SLD to PDF. So if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.